Hey guys, welcome back to Learn English Sentences. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at very interesting and attractive sentences. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon so you get to know every time we put up these new videos for you. And also give me a thumbs up so I know what are you looking for. Okay, so let's get going. Now first sentence is मैं कल रात सो नहीं पाई. I couldn't sleep yesterday. I couldn't sleep yesterday. तुम कब सोते हो? When do you sleep? When do you sleep? वो अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाई. She couldn't hold weeping. She couldn't hold weeping. मुझे गलत ना समझें. Don't take me wrong. Don't take me wrong. मैं तुम्हारे जितना चालाक नहीं हूँ. I am not as clever as you. I am not as clever as you. आज धूप है. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. वो पहले से अच्छा है. He is better than before. He is better than before. तुम इतनी चाय क्यों पीते हो? Why do you take tea so much? Why do you take tea so much? आपने उसका नाम तो सुना ही होगा. You must have heard his name. You must have heard his name. क्या वो नीचे नहीं है? Isn't she downstairs? Isn't she downstairs? क्या तुम मुझ पर नज़र रख रहे हो? Are you keeping an eye on me? Are you keeping an eye on me? क्या तुम मुझे भागते हुए में पकड़ सकते हो? Can you catch me running? Can you catch me running? ये महामारी पूरी दुनिया के लिए एक खतरा है. This epidemic is a menace to the world. This epidemic is a menace to the world. पूरी दुनिया कठिन समय से गुजर रही है. The whole world is going through a bad patch. The whole world is going through a bad patch. तुमने मेरे दिल की ख्वाहिश पूरी कर दी. You fulfilled my whole-hearted will. You fulfilled my whole-hearted will. चलो बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो. Don't look at me like this. Don't look at me like this. तुमने तो मुझे डरा ही दिया था. You had just scared me. You had just scared me. वो मेरी आँख का तारा है. He is an apple of my eye. He is an apple of my eye. मुझे बेचैनी हो रही है. I am feeling uneasy. I am feeling uneasy. डकार मत लो. Don't belch. Don't belch. तुम मुंह खोलकर क्यों सोते हो? Why do you sleep opening the mouth? Why do you sleep opening the mouth? तुम्हें ये कहने का हक नहीं है. You don't have right to say it. You don't have right to say it. तुम आजकल खोए खोए क्यों रहते हो? Why do you stay lost these days? Why do you stay lost these days? तुमने मेरे मन की बात कह दी. You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind. तुम्हारी सेहत बिगड़ सकती है. Your health may deteriorate. Your health may deteriorate. बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं तुमसे मिलने आया. I came to you with great difficulty. I came to you with great difficulty. और क्या कर सकती हूँ मैं? What else can I do? What else can I do? सब्जी कच्ची है. Dish is undercooked. Dish is undercooked. क्या तुम यही चाहते थे? Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted? मुझसे आँखों से आँखें मिलाकर बात मत करो. Don't talk to me while making eye contact with me. Don't talk to me while making eye contact with me. मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं है. I am not in mood to do anything. I am not in mood to do anything. और क्या कर सकती हूँ मैं? What else can I do? What else can I do? चूहे ने मेरा शर्ट कुतर लिया. A rat nibbled my shirt. A rat nibbled my shirt. मेरे रास्ते में मत आओ. Do not get in my way. Do not get in my way. मिलते रहा करो. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. तुमसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई. You made huge mistake. You made huge mistake. रुको मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताती हूँ. Wait, let me tell you one thing. Wait, let me tell you one thing. मुझे डराओ मत. Don't scare me. Don't scare me. उससे मिलने का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. Meeting her is out of question. Meeting her is out of question. अभी खाना बना नहीं है. The food is not ready yet. The food is not ready yet. मैं तुम्हें ऐसे परेशान होते हुए नहीं देख सकती. I can't see you to be troubled like this. I can't see you to be troubled like this. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया है. You have lost your mind. You have lost your mind. तुमने हद पार कर दी है. You have overstepped now. You have overstepped now. इस मामले से दूर रहो. Stay out of this matter. Stay out of this matter. बस बहुत हुआ. That's enough. That's enough. उसे जो करना है करे. Let him do what he wants. Let him do what he wants. तुम नहीं सुधरोगे. You won't change. You won't change. तुम चुप क्यों रहते हो? Why do you keep silent? Why do you keep silent? आप खुद को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? तुम दोनों में से कोई झूठ बोल रहा है. Either of you is telling a lie. Either of you is telling a lie. आज आ जाऊं? Should I come today? Should I come today? आप हमें कहाँ लेकर जा रहे हो? Where are you taking us? Where are you taking us? ज़्यादा हीरोपंती मत करो. Don't be so bossy. Don't be so bossy. मैं थोड़ी देर सोने जा रही हूँ. I am going to sleep for a while. I am going to sleep for a while. मुझे आंखें मत दिखाओ. Don't glare at me. Don't glare at me. कल पूरी रात कमरे की लाइट चालू थी. The room light was on all night long. The room light was on all night long. मैं उससे निपट लूँगी. I'll deal with him. I will deal with him. झूठी खबरों पर भरोसा मत करें. डोंट रिलाई ऑन फॉल्स न्यूज़. डोंट रिलाई ऑन फॉल्स न्यूज़. सुरक्षा ही बचाव है. सेफ्टी इज़ प्रोटेक्शन. सेफ्टी इज़ प्रोटेक्शन. ये एक साजिश हो सकती है. इट कैन बी अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी. इट कैन बी अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी. घर पर ही रहो, कहीं बाहर मत जाओ. स्टे एट होम, डोंट गो आउटसाइड एनीवेयर. स्टे एट होम, डोंट गो आउटसाइड एनीवेयर. हम सबको मिलकर इस महामारी को हराना है. वी ऑल हैव टू डिफीट दिस पैंडेमिक. वी ऑल हैव टू डिफीट दिस पैंडेमिक. अपने हाथों को बार बार धोएं. वॉश योर हैंड्स फ्रीक्वेंटली. वॉश योर हैंड्स फ्रीक्वेंटली. Okay guys, that's all for today. And they were our 83 attractive English sentences. Oh, you did very well. If you got to the end of this video, that's a lot of new English sentences. Don't forget to try and use these sentences in your daily life conversation. Okay? And keep practicing and stay happy. Bye bye.